Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about Scalenut, an amazing software that's perfect if you're looking to create AI-powered content. Whether you're aiming to generate long-form content or small copy for copywriting purposes, Scalenut has you covered. For instance, it can help with product descriptions, title generation, blog ideas, reviews, answers to questions, primary text for ads, LinkedIn ad text, Google ad text, and much more. So, today, we'll take a deep dive into the kind of content it can create for you, and you can follow along using the link to Scalenut provided in the description below. So, let's get started. First of all, after logging into your account, you'll see this kind of dashboard. Here, you'll find an SEO assistant, which will help you create long-form content. Then, there's the copywriter feature, where you'll find templates for generating the specific text you need. Additionally, you'll see the managed marketplace, where you can hire talent to get things done, often on a per-word cost basis. If you feel the content generated by the software isn't up to the mark or lacks efficiency, you can head over to the marketplace and find quality content writers who can enhance your AI-generated content. Many people think that AI-generated content alone can improve rankings, but it's not always the case. For example, if you're writing content on Alexa as an SEO tool, the software might associate it with Amazon's Alexa, which could lead to irrelevant content. That's why it's crucial to carefully control and command AI-generated content to ensure it's aligned with your objectives. Even with careful management, AI-generated content may not always deliver the results you want, so it's often wise to collaborate with skilled writers to produce high-quality, relevant content. However, using AI can serve multiple purposes. For instance, if you've outlined a blog post, AI can assist you in drafting it, but again, you'll need to guide it carefully. If done right, AI can help create content that ranks well. Let me guide you through how to use Scalenut's features. I'll start with the copywriter tool, where we have a variety of templates. Let's say we want to create Google Ads copy. You simply put the brand name and ad description, then generate the copies. For example, if I use Amazon as the brand name, I could say, Amazon is an e-commerce marketplace where people can buy and sell goods or services. Then, when I click Generate, the software produces content like, Amazon is a fantastic platform for selling goods with a wide range of products. You can sell anything from an old computer to new clothes and much more. You'll get 6 copies to choose from. You can click to copy any of them or save them for later. The UI is great because it shows your favorites and history, so you can easily refer back to previous content. Next, we have the long-form AI tool, which is the SEO assistant. You'll notice a sample report, but to create a new one, simply enter the keyword you want to rank for and select a location. I usually choose the United States, but you can select your preferred region. Then click Generate Report. For example, let's say I want to create an article on how to make a chocolate cake. The software will generate guidelines, such as keyword recommendations and NLP data, to help you write SEO-friendly content. It pulls information from competitors, analyzes it, and suggests ways to optimize your content. Once the report is generated, you can see various sections like keyword usage, competitor insights, and guidelines for writing. You can also manually input content or use AI-generated text. For example, the AI can draft an introduction for you like, do you want to make the perfect chocolate cake? This article will show you how, whether you want to use chocolate chips, brown sugar, or cocoa powder. You can also generate outlines for your article. After inputting an introduction, Scalenut provides relevant headings, which you can further elaborate on. If the AI suggestions aren't sufficient, you can fetch more outlines from Google or your competitors and customize them as needed. The AI Operators feature allows you to ask the AI to write sections, summarize content, or even help conclude an article. It's like using shortcuts to scale up your content creation process. For example, if you're stuck, you can hit a button and the AI will think and write on your behalf, offering content like, here are some tips for making the perfect chocolate cake. Use quality ingredients, measure correctly, and ensure your oven temperature is accurate. As you continue writing, Scalenut will suggest improvements and even give you a content grade based on SEO guidelines. You can also analyze competitors' content to see how yours measures up and where you might need to make adjustments. When you're finished, you can export your content as a PDF, HTML file, or docx. You can also import content from a URL and undo or redo changes. The software shows you how your content compares with competitors and highlights areas where you might improve. Overall, Scalenut is a powerful tool, but it's important to remember that AI has its limitations. If you're writing highly specialized or technical content, you might still want to hire a content writer for the best results. AI content can be incredibly useful for some niches, but might not be ideal for others, so always assess whether it meets your specific needs. Now, let's talk about pricing. Scalenut offers a free plan, so you can sign up and test the software. If you find it beneficial, you can upgrade to the individual or growth plan. The growth plan includes more words and SEO documents, which are helpful for creating longer content. If you're interested, check out the link to Scalenut provided in the description below.